Can't let it get to you.
As an onion?
Yeah.
What?
You're cutting an onion.
So?
It tastes like peanuts.
Yeah, peanut butter tastes like peanuts.
Oh, and I do want part of that.
Oh, you've
Here.
never.
Feeling better
tried
already.
it.
Yeah,
I haven't eaten peanut butter in
I
like
was
4
gonna cut
years.
this up for you. Do you want me to dice it?
Well,
I feel so bad for you.
I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich at Ortega.
You're mean. You
Okay.
took all my rings.
Peanut butter's delicious.
Sorry.
Fucking love peanut butter.
I'm not gonna eat a spoonful of peanut butter.
Yeah, that's because your
What?
girlfriend's allergic
It's so
to
good
it.
though.
But Logan, I was gonna dice it.
I'm gonna get some peanut butter balls as soon as I stop recording this.
You know, I had one of those too. Damn it.
Haha. Your girlfriend's gonna die. Can I tell you something really mean?
What?
Whenever like me or Courtney eats peanut butter and then we kiss each other, we always say,
Here's the rest.
if you were Nicole, you'd be dead.
I told Nicole.
She didn't seem that phased by it. Okay.
Hopefully that makes me not pass out.
Ew.
Ooh, it's dark in here.
You see what I did?
I almost dropped these the other day.
Gordon, look what I did.
Ugh. Putting them in my head because I don't have 2 hands.
It's Sprite. And there's a little bit of onion.
Ugh. Can someone shut that door for me? Hey, internet, this is the pinnacle of cookies.
I just
If
want
I
to say
can
one thing.
get
real
it
fast.
open.
If we die tonight, it's Logan's fault.
Logan over here making some weird contraptions.
Yeah, he is. He's cooking beef in Sprite.
What?
That's Sprite in there.
I've done it before.
What? He put Sprite.
That's not weird, okay?
No one cooks things in Sprite.
You put sodas on ham.
Actually, that's a lot.
Yeah,
People
right.
cook things in Sprite all the
Manual
time.
focus.
It's much like wine. Just different flavor. It's the same concept.
So we're gonna have
You could put-
Sprite flavored beef.
You could put like Coke on ham.
Okay.
You know what? Let's just.
I want to try to make a volcano like they do.
I'm just gonna start
But
taking
please.
emails off my computer.
Wait. Wait, I haven't. Cookies? No. Make 2 of them for good luck.
Oh my gosh, it
And
works!
flop. What?
I think I mixed up some screws somewhere
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Well, these long ones go in the middle ones. Because it has that thing that you just push down.
Logan.
So it's longer.
volcano.
that's why I lost my 2 middle screws.
Look.
That'd be awesome
I don't know.
if
I haven't had any of these. I had them on the top and bottom.
Yep, 2 long ones right there.
Yeah, I know, but I don't
You
want to
should
have
serve it like that. Just
any passing out
do
again.
your onions.
Whatever.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna
Kind of dark in there.
back it up.
I'm not a fan of like onions.
Lights.
You might want to
I'm
open
gonna-
your fan.
yeah, I'm going
Like
to.
on a burger or something like that.
Actually, one was already unplugged.
But I'll eat them in certain
Okay.
things.
I want to explain that.
So you get out the phone flashlight again?
Yeah, I got the phone flashlight again. All right. Putting in RAM first, which means I need to move this up a bit. So I gotta get RAM in.
We gotta resituate that.
in
We gotta
my back
route that through the
spots.
back.
This?
Yeah.
Where's it gonna come out from?
There's a little hole here.
It's not gonna
Back
fucking
there.
fit.
I know. I had to do some.
I had to turn it
I had
off
to do some
because,
pretty bad things to my motherboard to get mine through there the
It's
first
cooking
time.
Too quickly.
All right, RAM first. I left it over on the couch.
Courtney,
I'm gonna get more cookies. Oh no! I put the lid on. Damn.
All right.
Damn. Defeated.
As you will notice, I currently have some sexy Team Vulcan Gold RAM, but they no longer really make that. So I had to get some similar G-Skill Ripped Jaws X series RAM. So we're just gonna pop this shit in here. So I also have the gold and red. So if anyone knows any like teams that are gold and red, let me know because I
Eat
can
this like
fucking have a themed
vegetable
computer
that
after
makes
them.
you cry.
Gold,
and
red, and black and
wonder
white.
if it was poisonous or not.
And gray.
With blue Wind Force
I know
cards.
it makes
Yeah.
us tear
Well, the
as we
cards
cut
aren't
it,
blue, but they light up
let's
blue.
just try to eat it and see how that would work out.
What do you got? Do you have a sticker there for like a G-Skill sticker?
I do have a G-Skill sticker actually.
You're gonna put that on?
I didn't put any other stickers on my computer, so I don't know. I might put them on like the inside.
Just stick them inside. Okay.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put a basket. We'll literally just take bites.
Alright.
I'm pretty sure when they
Hello,
put
Ram.
soda banana, they just
Uh, I'm always really bad at doing this.
Well, it might be easier if you laid the case down, you know.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You guys have a garbage disposal.
I also get better light in there.
Just trying not to hit my
I'm
cases.
trying to make sure all of this
cases.
is actually cooked.
I got it. I just didn't want to like.
Okay.
Time of a little.
I was trying to keep the back on too because I already unscrewed the screws from the back.
Oh.
So
Okay.
This is cut
Alright.
so much that it's not even.
No, fuck you, cords.
Do you need me to hold it out of the way? Will you? No, it's good. It's good. I'm gonna do it anyways. I feel like I need
This is
help.
going in.
Line up, damn it. I'm like passing out as we do this.
Why?
I don't know, like, Alex seems to think I'm lacking protein.
I believe it. When was the last meat you ate? You're also bleeding, by the way.
No, that's dried blood.
Okay.
What happened?
So, clicking already?
Guys,
What's the
we're
red
gonna
light
be
mean?
cooking with
Is that the
sharp
battery's
objects
dying
and
light,
hot
or-
objects.
It's the
How are you
recording
the
light.
ones getting hurt?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
That means the card's being used.
Okay. That's a good sign.
That's the that's the light that says, oh, the camera's doing something.
Okay, good. I would hate to have to do this a second time like we did with that review we shot.
Yeah.
Where like we did it and it was funny and there was a whole bunch of like extra shit going on that I was gonna edit into like a gag reel and then I just lost it all.
That was 1,000 times easier than putting it in my room the first time.
Hmm?
How do they cut the carrots?
Also, does not look that bad.
I think they do it into like
Do they
stick
cut 'em
kind
like
of things.
these?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I don't
I think they have long carrots too.
So does anyone else ever have like
know. Well, I didn't want to buy any.
It's fine either way.
does anybody else ever have like deja vu moments where like you have a dream about something and then you're like,
dream about
holy
your
shit,
cooking?
it's happening. No, I had a dream about Courtney asking me how they cut those things one
No,
time.
you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you
I,
didn't.
Oh, it definitely never happened in real life before. And I have one of those deja vu moments, okay?
I gotta make sure I have power
Why I
connectors for
hate
this shit.
Parmesan cheese
Do you need me to go get your power connector? They're in your box over there, aren't they? Let's see your underwear.
Please don't
Cover that up. Keep it PG, guys.
Please do not cut yourself.
Christmas.
Thank you.
Get some sick shots of the Christmas tree. That could come in handy.
Yeah, this
So
is-
we have one Wind Force card in here already, and we're gonna be putting in another one.
Where did I
Yeah,
stuff the
yeah.
chicken with beef?
I have a bunch
Probably
a bunch of cords
here.
labeled.
I'm gonna stuff the chicken with
I
beef.
have a bunch of cords labeled CPU,
Guys, I'm gonna stuff the chicken.
which I'm
with
assuming I
beef.
already installed my CPU cord.
Jordan.
Did you?
Jordan, does it sound
Is
okay?
this a CPU?
Does it?
That one also says CPU.
What do you
Oh,
think?
CPU. Hit the lights.
I guess I have dual CPUs.
Does
I guess
chicken?
so.
The rest of them just say
Does-
VG.
Well, it is an
Which
850 watt
strange,
power
too.
supply.
Does chicken stuffed with beef sound good?
Chicken what, 50?
Stuffed.
I don't know.
Chicken
It's
stuffed
an
with-
interesting concept, Logan. Show your work.
I thought you said chicken with beef.
Chicken with beef?
I was like, what the fuck is chicken with beef?
Okay.
Chicken-
Open that shit up.
Also an unboxing. Which I'm never good at. So it's stuck.
Is it okay if I just
Decorational
like,
box
put a carrot
outside of
in
the
like,
functional box.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it'll be fine.
Ah,
I don't think that.
yeah, shit. As always, when I open this up, it's interesting to see this anti-static packaging.
It's okay. It'll be fine. It's a little water. Oh no.
Is there a spot to open it from, or do I just need to like fucking break into this shit?
I imagine there's a spot to open it from, but I don't know for sure. Where's your
knife?
There's your knife.
It's kind of like a ground stick.
And now we wait again.
Yeah,
Dusty fan.
Do you see these things?
Ooh, there you go.
the chicken? What's wrong with them?
I guess that worked.
Essential tool for building computers. Nice. Fun fact.
Okay.
Not actually.
I got bigger chicken. I didn't actually think these.
I'm also hoping this is the correct one. 'Cause I know. Go for Wind
Looks
Force.
like a Wind Force to me.
Well, yeah, but they have like Wind Force and Wind Force Gaming. I went off the one that was on my Amazon list.
But as we all know, that's how I got my 2 different size monitors.
No, they both said G1 Gaming were good. I forgot to check beforehand.
Okay.
I didn't know it said on there actually. Let me take off my fucking stickers, dude.
I'm gonna test this.
Fucking stickers. Come here.
On only.
Protective plastic. Functional yet annoying. But
Yeah.
fun to rip off. Fun to rip off.
Alec pulled the protective plastic off the windows on that case, which if you want to see us do that build, click on the window. If we remember to put the annotation in.
You won't.
Did you what?
If not, check build, maybe like just somewhere on the channel.
Bring this chip.
Oh hey
Is
look,
it a power supply
look,
there?
it's NVIDIA Shield ready.
Here.
I need to focus and then
Is
point.
this for your guys' tech channel?
Point.
No, it's gonna go on the regular channel.
Oh, it is?
We're rebranding.
We're
What?
We're
We're
rebranding. We're
rebranding.
becoming
We're calling it
Zanj Productions.
And it's just all
And
going on
putting
one
everything
channel.
on one channel.
Yay,
Okay.
that's such a good idea.
So I made all that Twins Tech art for nothing.
Just put Twins Tech on it. Give me the name of the show.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Um,
I need flour.
Whatever. We're gonna go in.
The big one, I think.
Jack.
I gotta undo the bottom two.
Jack, actually.
Or. I guess I gotta undo the bottom
Why
two.
hate me?
Yeah.
Like.
These two. Not thumb
Is
screws.
it?
Are they thumb screws?
Yeah, they're just probably in there really tight.
Screwdriver. ASAP. Small one.
Small one's over there already.
On it.
Yeah.
I am on it. Alright, screwdriver. Let's get going. You're already on your biggest Phillips head.
Bowl.
What am I doing?
What's the smallest bowl you guys have?
Fuck.
The smallest bowl?
Yeah.
Fuck if I know.
Oh.
Just hurry up and make food. I'm passing out, man.
Yeah, one of those tiny ones maybe?
Because I can
God damn it.
chicken.
Yeah, I had some issues with I had to go get like pliers the other day to like loosen them a bit.
Well, it doesn't help that I'm also in the process of being so lightheaded I can't stand.
No. No, use the flathead. It works better.
I was gonna use one. I just need a smaller one.
Oh. So we're back with pliers now because the camera stopped recording. So we're like, fuck it, we'll go grab some pliers.
It was like literally 5 seconds.
It would be a reality show for Nick. My boyfriend's a camera.
That doesn't have any nudes still.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, just like loosen it up a little bit,
It's the best picture.
I'm trying to loosen it.
and then just like
Trying to
finger
loosen it
it.
and then just thumb through it.
Yeah, just finger it the rest of the way.
Fuck, I got tight again.
Another fourth.
Jordan.
No, I didn't screw it the wrong way. It just got tighter, harder to turn.
Okay.
Ah, it smells like onion.
I'm sorry. Have you seen it? Look. It's
Onion
so
volcano.
cute. Girlfriend.
I'm starting to see why Kevin said he didn't trust us with his computer.
What do you mean?
I can't get a fucking thumb screw off.
They're in there pretty tight.
I like veggies. They're beautiful.
They did go lefty loosey, right?
Yeah, that's how everything works.
Look at my eggs.
Aren't they getting it looser?
Logan. My vegetables.
Why not just grab an actual screwdriver that fit down here?
That would have been a good idea too.
String.
Let's watch you get this off. And
Oh, well,
that can't be good for it.
don't worry, it's just a wireless card I don't use anymore.
Okay. So
I don't eat
I was
burgers.
gonna say, let's watch you get it off, and it'd be like the wrong ones, and you'll have to like move another one.
Let's take all of them off.
No, 'cause we don't need all of them.
Exactly.
Guys, I'm an idiot.
I do think you need to take off that top one there, though.
Why?
Or no, wait, because that goes with this. I didn't see that slot there. That goes with that slot. We're good.
I have Sound Blaster Cinema in here? Bullshit.
Yeah, sure. Why not? That sounded good.
I hit the side of the case.
We're gonna break something.
Probably. Always do.
Okay.
But the RAM's in, I think.
Looks like it. We'll just have to hope it's detected and shit.
You ready for the magic?
Alright, fucking. God damn it, bitch.
That's sad. Chicken
Okay.
being dipped in the yolks of their children.
Who fucking put thumb screws in with a fucking sonic screwdriver?
You grab
You don't
Shout
even
out
watch.
to yeah, I'll say shout out to a show I don't watch.
You don't even watch Doctor Who.
I think someone might like it.
Just pour a little bit.
Why would you want plain though?
What?
Why would you want plain though?
God, motherfuckers.
For the breadcrumbs?
To the top,
Nope.
yeah. Is this it?
Don't worry, we'll speed it
Why
up.
don't you do those thumb screws?
That wasn't even me.
Oopsie.
I don't think.
Something's gonna break. I'm gonna break something.
No, it's cool. We already got him out, so it's fine.
Oh, okay. Don't lose those.
I got him. Fuck your next parts, Trey.
Okay. That's gonna be an issue. We have to hold that out of the way there. Hold some of them cords.
Right, fuck you, cords. Not that I don't have to run more cords in here in a second, anyways.
Yeah.
Well, you could come through from a different angle. You
You're
stupid.
giving me a smaller
We forgot to grab the SLI bridge, didn't we?
thing.
Yeah,
to
it's probably
cook
upstairs
chicken.
somewhere.
Like a smaller pan.
Hey, I didn't say it came prepared.
We'll have to be taking a brief intermission then.
Where?
Smaller pan that I could put in the oven. Anything?
Hmm?
Where did I get that from?
Something I could cook meat on that goes in the oven.
Under where the pots are, I think there's some stuff by the pots. If not, there's some stuff in like the tray under the oven, or I think.
Wash your hands. I need to make mine too.
Did you break something?
I just dropped a screw.
Oh well, we're fucked.
I don't. Do they have clearance?
Where is it?
Fuck if I know.
We can't leave it in there.
I was gonna screw this in first. Or should I take it out?
I don't know. We might need to find that screw first.
Alright, I just freaking stuck in here.
Well, it has locks on it. Or not.
I hate water.
I just undid the lock.
Where's the screw?
You know? I think it's in Narnia now.
Well,
I think my screw is in Narnia now.
I'm sure we'll find it when we flip the case up, right?
Courtney, this.
That way the back coming off because I unscrewed it already. I'm gonna move that out of the way. Because I need to run cords anyways.
Whoopsies. I'm tripping over tripods and shit. Thankfully there's nothing on it. There it is, I hear it. I hear it flipping around in there.
No, I think it's my cords.
Oh, you think?
I'm not just gonna
That's a
keep it.
twist
I don't know. For one
Did the screw fall out then? Like, where'd the screw go?
You know?
Why is there a knife on my...
I might never know.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
Let you know? Oh, yeah, okay. I got a magnetic screwdriver here.
That might be an issue. I don't think the magnet's strong enough, Jordan. Never mind.
What? Huh?
I loosened it, okay? I doubt it. No, I totally... Okay, let's just put the...
Do you guys have garlic?
Yeah, minced garlic in the jar.
I'm gonna look up the temperature.
I keep, like, looking away from what I'm doing with the camera.
No.
I'm just, like, pointing at random shit.
Why?
That's stuff.
Locked in place.
Now-
Fucking screw my shit
What kind of pan?
and not drop it this time, hopefully.
Yep.
One can hope. One can hope.
That would be a good idea.
What are you using the cheese for?
I'm gonna come around to the other side.
Oh,
This isn't any better.
Nope.
you think that's
Oh, I'm touching your finger.
A little bit.
Okay.
I don't think that's very.
Feel free to gloss over this because it's not like going in anyways.
Okay. Should I stop recording and go grab the SLI bridge?
Yeah.
Is there a bigger one?
It's on the preheat right now.
Preheat?
Preheat.
Found the SLI bridge.
I think this should work.
We gotta get the power connectors in now.
This way. Except it's really fucking weird.
What is...
Oh, just the way they fucking put it on here.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it like that. Ah. There we go.
Woohoo.
I'll string my shit to the back like a civilized human being.
I'm gonna have to flip it up right to do this
Maybe
part.
Parmesan. Parmesan's great for stuff. And I was gonna put maybe pepper jack on top.
Now it's dark again. Oh well. There it is. Oh, it's not in focus, but there it is.
Alright, I'm gonna fucking run it down back to the bottom here. Decent place to plug it into my fucking power supply.
What's the time speed?
I got one place left down here.
It's too dark.
Not that I can fucking get to it.
be an issue. You know what? Let's have the drive tray.
Okay. Using words you taught me. Well, I mean, if you're not using it, it's just in the way.
Here,
You have to flip it over though. The screws are on the bottom of it.
eat it.
What's some here on the side?
Eat it. You wanna try it?
I want to finish my picture.
Oh, there are some at the bottom.
Yeah.
I'm almost too lazy actually.
Pretty good.
I'd rather just finagle it. Okay.
I'll shoot my arm through the computer. That's how you do it. This spot here. Very light in here. This is VGA here, right? Like, just pull it out so I one.
What?
VGA 1. I'll just stick it in here.
I'm sure it really matters.
You ever want to move anything out of it?
It's just like trying to have sex.
Don't move anything out of
Is it? I wouldn't know.
Yeah, it's a trying. You know, just try to have sex.
I don't even get a try.
No one gets to try.
I would keep an eye on it and make sure it's mixed so mom doesn't
I
get.
wonder if I should have plugged this in before putting in the graphics card.
Maybe.
Alright. This one.
You got it?
Yeah. Totally got it. I'm trying to smash it back this way. And then plug it in the middle in here.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't need to put all of it in one. You really didn't need to put all of it. Here. I think there's a bit of pan. There's a
I'm the
bit of
casting
steamer.
like she has small hands.
Cass is in bed. She has school tomorrow.
That's why I said if only she was awake.
No, I thought you were asking like, where is she? Whoopsies. That's what I get for not listening.
Okay. I feel like I'm passing out still.
Better get a hold in that. Need more peanut butter. Peanut butter balls are out still. I should probably put those away.
You know what? Come back to me later.
Okay.
I'm gonna. It just goes like here, right?
Huh? Alright.
Does it work?
Yes.
I think go on the first one.
Look up.
I don't know.
It's not too bad.
Yay, we're done.
I have to go pass out now.
Any final words?
I don't know if it worked or not.
It
No.
does.
No, that's it.
I'm like so done. I can't stand it anymore.
Okay, you're not gonna like click like. I guess we could go do like a hey it actually worked thing
Jordan,
later.
eat some
Okay.
vegetables.
I'm going to bed.
Oh, you're tired?
No, I just can't. Wait.
Eat something.
Why?
Well, maybe we'll do my thing tomorrow then.
Wait, eat something. At least drink some.
Totally zoning out.
I want pizza.
We have pizza.
There's this thing that happens after you have sex.
We have a slice of
You
pizza.
get hungry.
I wouldn't know. That actually comes up in the video. That actually comes up in the video. At some point, you're like trying to get a screw out, and you're like, "This is what sex is like." And it's like, I wouldn't know. Or no, you're trying to plug a power connector into the power supply. Okay. Anyways, I'm good. I haven't had sex today.
So, or ever. So, I would like to thank you for making it this far in the video. If you enjoyed that, or if you want to come back and say we're doing it wrong next time, because we're gonna do it again.
I was too
Possibly
bored.
wrong.
I didn't feel like cutting anything out. I thought it'd be funny if it was just all the way through, so you could see Jordan slowly degrading over time as he just started like collapsing onto the floor.
You know, I just remembered.
Mm-hmm.
I actually edited this video.
You did?
I just didn't put it out.
What? Okay. Well,
Let's see how our versions compare. But
well, I didn't edit this at all. I just put them all together.
That might have been what I did. But thank you for watching, everyone. If you want to see the results and how the single versus dual GPU tests pan out, you can click right here on Zach's nipples to check out that video.
I feel violated.
Good. Like,
Don't touch them. They're sensitive.
favorite, comment, subscribe. Check out some merch. It supports us a lot.
Coupon code.
Wait. Coupon code 2LOVE.
Ding.